Alright guys, Paul here again with another video. Obviously with this lockdown there's not really much opportunity for people to go far, so it seems just now crawler seems to be the best thing to do if you're into RC. Obviously you don't need a lot of space, it's slow, you can kind of do it in your back garden or local parks. But for me, I'm quite lucky, just behind my house there's this little wooded area, and I just thought out of all my crawlers I'll bring out the Charisma SCA 1E today. Just purely for the fact to show you is that, I mean, even if you're long term into RC or you're just getting into it, this is easily in my mind the best budget crawler you can get. It's value for money is insane. Comes with a lipo, a controller, everything you need straight out the box for around about £200. What's maybe about $220, $230. But even in standard form it's good. I've modded mine a little bit. If you watch my other videos you'll see this used to be the bumper on my TRX4, but I've got a higher ground clearance bumper for it, so I've stuck that on to the front of the Charisma, and my old TRX4 Canyon Trail tyres I've put on too. But yeah, I mean, just with the only two mods, it's literally an unbelievably brilliant little car. It's never let me down. I've had it for, I don't know, close to a year, maybe 8 months or something like that. But yeah, just if you watch a video you'll see I've tried to take it through all different types of terrain to give you a little idea of what she can do. And yeah, if you're looking for a budget crawler, I would say go ahead and get this. And even if you just want another crawler, it's just absolutely fantastic value. So hope you enjoy this little film I've made, and I'll see you guys in the next one.